So another product we use a ton of is this HD silicone spray, this heavy duty silicone spray. All of these doors are all roll up doors and they have a seal on here, and it's a pretty tough seal, but you get a lot of dirt and grime and dust in between the seal and it's really, really hard to clean. So you take some of this silicone spray, spray it right in this track. Spray both sides. Then just shut your door. You can already tell a huge difference when it goes down. Work it up and down a couple of times. And I don't know if you noticed that first one, but I'll show you on this other back door. This door will almost just fall on its own. And it didn't do that before. So if you take a look at this one, watch how much force it takes to open. And it won't fall. But if we spray her down, work it just a couple of times. You tell a massive difference. Now how this can apply to you guys, your windows in your vehicles has a rubber seal, and it's a lot like this one. Fire trucks have the same rubber seal. So just like every single vehicle that you've ever been in, there's a rubber gasket, a rubber seal right around here. It's kind of got a rough texture on it. It kind of feels like felt. Take this silicone spray, spray the entire rubber track. And then roll the window up and down. What this will do, it'll actually lube that track, and it'll, if it's a hand crank, you can really, really feel the difference when you try to roll it up. It'll go from really trying to get a lot of force to go up to just a little bit of force like it was new. On powered windows like this window, you can hear the motor difference once you run the window up and down a couple of times, and it'll save the window regulator from so much stress on the plastic components that are in there and stress on the motor.